everyone, hope everyone is staying safe. I know that there's a lot going on right now, but we figured out a way to make it a little bit more fun, so we're gonna teach everyone how to make a classic brunch cocktail, the mimosa. So all you'll need for this one is a bottle of sparkling wine, some all-natural orange juice, and a garnish. We chose to do the orange slices. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna uncork your sparkling wine bottle. It's already a party. All right, you're gonna take your wine glass. You're gonna put as much as you'd like, so it's your discretion. We have a 6-ounce line. Whatever amount of sparkling wine I have in there, I pour half of the amount of juice, so you can really taste the sparkling wine. Our classic orange mimosa. So you want to take your garnish and you just want to place it on the rim of the glass like so. All right, now remember, you can use as much sparkling wine as you want, so if you really want to feel a buzz, a little less juice is the trick. If you want to class this up a little bit more, you can also do another kind of garnish. So a nice fresh strawberry slice, which gives it a really beautiful presentation. And there you go. You can stay in and still brunch out.